Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make 100 USD per sale in affiliate marketing. When it comes to affiliate marketing, as you know, we always make money based on the sales we have already made. This affiliate marketing program I'm going to show you is where you can be able to sell these services and also be able to make 100 USD per sale minimum for every successful sale which you have already made. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you see, I'm now using my computer. What I need to do, you can go to your computer or you can go to your mobile phone. Then you have to type for warpx.not warpx hosting. You can even type warpx hosting. You can see there are different links which are displaying here, including WPX hosting, world fastest hosting, also WordPress hosting. What I do first of all is to come here and select this first link. You can see this the link. What I do is to click on it. So after clicking on it, you can see it is gonna open, and also after it already opens, I can be starting and explore different services which are available here. This also means they are hosting services which they are the ones they are providing, and also they are the ones I will be selling to be able to make money online by doing affiliate. As you can see, also when you come here to the affiliates, to the platform itself, you can see different kind of services that they are providing, different kind of hosting services they are selling out. So you can also click here and see different plans that they have, and among these plans, they are the ones you will be selling from to be able to make money. So this is brands that we boost here. This is also to boost site performance. You can see it has up to 5 website, 50 GB storage, 15, so 200 GB bandwidth. This one which is costing 20.83. This is also about WordPress hosting, because as you see they have different kind of hosting packages, and also the second one you can see is already WooCommerce hosting. So what you do is to click here on WooCommerce hosting and see they have these kind of services. You can see this one is costing 125 USD per month, and you get 2 months free which are included. This one is costing a superstore. It's a superstore. It's costing 62.5 USD per month. And also you can be able to read these descriptions and see if these features are meeting your needs or your friend's needs, if you wanna be encouraging him or refer him to come and purchase these services or come and host to these services or to this platform. So what you do is to come here and select affiliate to get started. You understanding the affiliates. You can see they are explaining how you can be earning. Here are the referrals, the amount you will be able to earn per referrals you have made. For if you got one sale in one calendar month, you're gonna be earning S100 USD. If you got 5 sales in one calendar month, that is the amount of money you're gonna be get. Also, that's about multiplications. You can take 100 and multiply for the number of sales you can be able to make in every calendar month. So they are continuing explaining how you can be able to earn, and also if you want to get started, you can read these terms on the conditions or program policy. After reading program policy, also you can be able to understand what is included in, what you are allowed to do, what you are not allowed to do. So this can help you to accurately be able to work on affiliate as affiliate with this company. Also, if you want to get started with earning, you have to click here on this start earning. You can see I have to click on start earning. After that, you can see it is gonna be opening. And also after it directs me to the affiliate page where I have to apply. I can click here on affiliate application page and sign up here. What you do, you fill out your first name, last name, your email address, your phone number, your country, also your states if it's available, city. You have to fill out your address, of course. Is it a personal account or organizational account? You have to select that. If it's an organization, of course you have to click on organization. You can see they are asking you if it's an organization. You have to put the organization name. After that, you can be able to click here. You see the affiliate program terms and the conditions are still there. You can click here and release them to understand them before getting started working on it. After that, you see the private policies, and also after that you have to submit your application and you wait for the review. Once you are accepted into the affiliate marketing program, you can be able to get started making money with affiliate on this platform. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestion or questions, leave it in the comment section. Also remember to like this video, share it to your friends, and turn on the notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here as Novomax TV. So remember, now making money with affiliate marketing always require to have audience. So that means it is very important to build your audience first. That is the first thing. You have to build your audience, and after building your audience, this is going to be helping you to have some people to share different opportunities. And also you need to consider what kind of people do I have, what kind of people do I need, and also what kind of people do I want to share my affiliates product or services. This is because whenever you're gonna be working on the affiliate marketing program or affiliate marketing project, you're gonna be having people to tell. For instance, let's say you are selling hosting services. Selling hosting services requires you to have people who are tech savvy, who are developers, web developers, maybe software developers. Those kind of people who might need to share different items, to share different applications, who might need to buy different services in your field, who might need to buy different kind of product from your field. For instance, let's say you are now working in the tourism industry. You need people from tourists. You need to be having people who like towers, who like to travel, who like vacations, who like more. This is gonna be helping you to understand and to be having more opportunities for while sharing to the relevant people who can be able to get interested, and also to be able to purchase the services you shared to them.